chemistry. More concept. Class 10. Dear class 10 students, let me give you some tips in chemistry. The concept based on mole, or your second chapter of chemistry, you are learning mole concept. You have to understand the terms, the shorter forms: GAM, GMM, STP, 0 degree centigrade, which is equal to 273 Kelvin, molar volume, Avogadro number. You must have basic idea about it. But if you have the fundamentals about the word gram, if you don't know the meaning of gram, you know 1 gram weight mass means that is the basic unit of weight. In such a way, we are taking gram atomic mass. Consider the weight of an atom in gram. Second one, weight of molecule in gram. STP means standard temperature and pressure. The pressure will be of atmosphere. Temperature will be 273 Kelvin. Molar volume, that will be 22.4 liter of gas. 22.4 liter of gas at STP. So the temperature will be 0 degree and the pressure will be 1 atmosphere. You must understand this. Another thing, if you don't know atomic mass or the concept of atomic mass, it is so difficult to learn this concept, mole concept. So simply, if we are speaking, we need to understand basic things about number, volume and mass. Simply saying number, counting numbers, then mass, then volume. In between we can write 1 mole. So what do you mean by mole? That we are going to explain. 1 mole of an atom, it is GAM. Mass of an atom in gram. Mass of an atom in gram. Gram atomic mass. If you are taking the number of atoms, we can say it will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. In mathematics, we can write a number in scientific form. We are following the scientific notation here. If we are considering a gas, here we are getting volume. So at the standard temperature and pressure, the volume 22.4 liter. That will be molar volume of a gas. Now we can consider some problems solving mathematically using mole method. So we need to remember sodium. Its atomic mass is 23. its atomic number is just 11. So twice 11 is 22, but it has one more gram. Because in the nature, sodium has isotopes. Therefore, it is happening. We have no time to discuss that matter. In case of chlorine, atomic mass is 35.5. So it is diatomic. Therefore, 1 gmm chlorine means 71 gram. You have to remember these two things. Actually, atomic number of chlorine is 17. So atomic mass can be 34, but it is 35.5. So taking GMM, double of 35.5, which is equal to 71. We can find any one of these using mole concepts. Number of atoms in a compound, number of molecules in a given substance, number of moles. Na means Avogadro number, molar volume. That means 22 point number of molar volumes. So we can consider ammonia, NH3, NH3. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7, atomic mass 14, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Here are 3 hydrogens, 14 plus 3, which is equal to 17. So consider 17 gram ammonia, which will be 1 gmm. So how many atoms can be with 17 grams of ammonia? Can you calculate it? There are 4 atoms, 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogens. Therefore, 1 GMM contains 1 Avogadro number of molecules. Here, 1 molecule contains 4 atoms, 3 hydrogen plus 1 nitrogen. Therefore, how many atoms can be here? Na into 4 Avogadro numbers. I hope you can just understand this idea. Consider 85 grams of ammonia. Consider 85 grams of ammonia. How many moles will be it? The given mass in gram by GMM. You are getting number of moles. Number of moles. So here GMM of ammonia is 17 gram. 85 gram by 17 gram, you are getting 5. So 85 grams of ammonia contains 5 moles. So how many Avogadro numbers? Which is equal to 5 Na. If you are explaining it, 5 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So how many atoms will be in 85 grams of ammonia? 5 Avogadro number nitrogen, 3 Avogadro number hydrogen, therefore 5 into 4, 4 into 5 into Avogadro number, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. You can simplify it if you need it. Again, we can consider the molar volume. Consider 85 grams of ammonia, 85 grams of ammonia at STP. What will be the volume? Volume in liter. So 85 gram ammonia means 5 moles. 5 moles. Therefore, volume 5 into 22.4 liters. Or in other words, 5 into Avogadro number. Therefore, volume will be 5 molar volume. I hope you can simply understand it. Students are generally confusing with GAM and GMO. I hope you know all the active gases are diatomic. In the nature, hydrogen is not standing by single atom, it is H2. Like same oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, etc. Therefore, consider 1 GAM. Atomic mass of single hydrogen atom is simply 1 gram. Oxygen simply 16 gram. Nitrogen 14 gram. Chlorine 35.5 gram. You know, all the liquids and the gaseous substance, solids, we can physically divided the elements into 3 categories. The GIM, GMM confusion is only with the active gases or the gases which are ready to reaction with the making compounds with other elements. But in case of inert gas, helium, neon, etc., those are on the last table side of periodic table. They are monoatomic and they are not engaged in chemical reaction. So there is no confusion about GIM and GMM. But you know, liquids and solids are monoatomic. They have only gram atomic mass. Both GIM and GMM can be calculated or diatomic reactive gases. So atomic mass of hydrogen 2 gram 1 gm, oxygen 32, nitrogen 18, chlorine 71 gram. So no need of any confusion about GIM and GMM. 1 GMM hydrogen 1 gram, 1 GMM 2. Likewise, you can assess all the gases which are engaged in chemical reaction. I think there is no confusion about GIM and GMM in case of diatomic gases. Other elements have no such confusion.